Have you heard of an electronic lock without a power supply? Do you know how to unlock multiple locks with one key? Vanma Smart Lock System is the solution for you. Vanma Passive Electronic Locks, second generation.
Look what we have here. My package arrived today. Even though it came from 6,000 kilometers away, you can see it's completely in shape. The foam inside causes a great shape absorption effect, and it keeps all the elements inside safe. Let's see what we have inside the package. There is a start guide, a USB cable, two passive locks, a padlock, and the cam lock. And finally, a Bluetooth fingerprint key. The key uses fingerprint authentication for locking and unlocking functions together with clear voice prompts. The locks are customizable into any security system, they are firmly designed, and they are made of stainless steel. With no wiring required, you can easily replace your previous mechanical locks. The locks are available at custom sizes and can be used in various structures.
Easy installation, complete function, and great quality.
So here I'm going to set up my two locks and I'm going to connect them to my key. First, you need to log into Vanma's portal. Then you need to download the driver. Installing the driver on your operating system. We get back to the website, and in the left menu bar, we have to add a department. Give your department a name and click confirm. Then we go under the key tab to connect our key. Using the USB-C cable provided in the packaging, you connect your key to the computer. After your computer recognizes the key, you press connect it. From the drop-down menu, select the department previously created and also give your key a name and press save. Once your key is successfully saved, the next step is to add a worker. In the Edit Worker window, you should give your worker a name, a department, gender, and using the platform, here I select mobile. And then you should give it a username, a password, a telephone number, address, and finally collecting the fingerprint. Connect the key back to the computer again and wait for the voice prompt to ask you to place your finger on the fingerprint scanner, and then you can give it a name. Once your worker account is successfully created, now it's time to log into the Vanma app available for both Android and iOS. After logging into your Vanmalock app, now it's time to get back to the website and add the locks. After connecting your key to the computer back again, now it's time to touch the lock so you can add it to your system. Once your lock is successfully detected, you have to give it a department and also a name. As I'm testing the product right now, I leave the status as uninstalled and also will give it a random location. I repeat the process again to connect the padlock as well. The final step is to add a takeout key. Here we choose which locks we want our key to open. We also can give a working time range to our takeout key. After setting up the takeout key, we get back to the mobile app. Tap on the My Task menu. Here we see our locks, lock A and lock B. Now I connect my key to the lock and will authenticate it with my fingerprint. Key is recognized by the app. To operate the unlock function, I connect the key back to the lock again.
Please verify the fingerprint.
Confirming the fingerprint,
Successfully. Unlock successfully.
and it allows me to unlock. And for operating the lock function again, you connect the key back again,
Please verify
confirm
the
your fingerprint,
Fingerprint verification successfully.
and it's locked.
Locked successfully.
The Vanmalock app will show you the status in real time. The same process applies to the cylinder lock.
Please verify the fingerprint. Fingerprint verification successfully. Locked successfully. Please verify the fingerprint. Fingerprint verification successfully. Unlocked successfully.
In order to read your unlock records, you go to Vanma portal and go under Read Data tab. Connect your key to your computer using the USB cable. And here you can see the successful and abnormal operations.
High security level, convenient to manage all locks, wide range of application. Vanma passive smart locks, second generation.